Hi, my name is Francis and I'm with Gaia. Today I'd like to show you the ticketing module of Gaia and the way you can leverage it. That's the ticketing interface. That interface here summarizes all of your ticket, no matter the entity, the status, and you can filter them. Let's take a time to look at how you can leverage tickets. Tickets can be attached to accounts. This is a customer account. I have a ticket attached to them. They can be attached to a network site. This is a network site right here, and I have a ticket attached to it for maintenance, for instance, or to an MDU. This is a property with all the units, but at the property level, I might have tickets. Again, let's say for maintenance. When you create a ticket, you can specify one or many entity, meaning that you can be attached to an account and also a network site, for instance. How do you configure the ticket interface? Well, it's quite straightforward. First of all, this is the settings page of ticket. You have the ability to allow to reopen ticket when a new comment is added. You can also send email notification when tickets are due to your own employees. And then you can also schedule the time of delivery for those emails to make sure we're not bothering them when they're not working. You have the ability to create as many categories as you want, as many ticket closed reason as you want, and many types as you want. Categories and types can be a way for you guys to generate the queuing that you want for your agent. And the ticket close reason allows you to easily filter the reason why tickets were closed. We can also leverage the ticket close reason to generate automation. For instance, we have an integration with tower coverage for RF signal. Tower coverage takes about 10 minutes to calculate the sixth best link. We're going to store that information in a ticket. If the ticket close reason is serviceable, we'll continue the workflow to bring the customer online. If the close reason is unserviceable, we can steer the workflow somewhere else. So those are used to define your queues and your report, but we can leverage all of this as well in our automation workflow system. You can create external mailbox. Those are email address. If people reply to those email address or send you a message to those email address, it will land into a particular queue. And you can create also can reply as many as you want. And those are a great way to quickly add a reply to a ticket. Let's open a ticket together. When you open a ticket, you have to choose its visibility. An internal ticket means that only internal employee within the Gaia platform can see the ticket. An external ticket means that the ticket will appear in the client portal. Rest assured, external tickets can have internal private communication, but that's a great way to show the ticket in the client portal or not. Let's take a moment to take a look at this. I'm logging in into the client portal here. If you want to learn more about the client portal, check my end-to-end demo. If I go in support here, I'm being presented with all of my tickets that are public. The internal tickets are hidden. Let's go back to the ticket creation here. So new ticket, we're going to do an external ticket right there. I can put my title, so issue with network. I can add the details. This is going to be a network issue. It is critical because it's an external ticket. I need to choose the mailbox that I'm going to do the communication from. So let's use like this one here. I can choose my communication language and then I can link it to the account. I also have the ability directly into an account to open a new ticket. If I open a ticket from the account, automatically the entity will be linked. I'm going to assign a user to it, but you can leave the user assignment blank, and then a user can seize this. And I'm going to set a due date to track my SLA. By doing this here, I have created a new ticket. The beauty with that system is that our workflow engine has the ability to fill that for you. So while you can manually open a ticket like this, you might have a workflow, and the workflow will automatically open the ticket on your behalf, download information from different network platform, and store it within the ticket. Another interesting thing we can do with ticket is link a ticket to a work order. That gives you a great end-to-end view on your support operation. A work order means that there's going to be a truck roll. A ticket is support. So the issue can start with a network ticket, and then we realize that a truck roll is required. You can create the work order and link the two together by going to Action, Link Work Order. By creating that link from a reporting perspective now, I can see all of my support requests that yielded a truck roll, because as soon as the work order will be completed, it will automatically close the ticket. It's like a sync between the ticket and the work order. If I go back to my ticketing interface here, I have the ability to filter my tickets. You can filter by any entity that's available. I can search only the tickets, let's say, assigned to myself, which there's none for now. I can check all of the tickets with a particular due date, range, specific date, after. It's a great way to track your SLAs again. I can filter all of the work that are assigned to certain entity, let's say, to this account. Then I can filter by followers, meaning who is following that request. I can I can filter by priority, by status, the categories, the type, the visibility, anything that is available in the ticket, you can filter. You can also do mass changes. So I can mass select multiple tickets, and directly from this here, I can go into actions and, let's say, edit the status in mass, archive them, or merge tickets together. I hope this gave you a great overview of how you can leverage the ticketing engine in Gaia. It has been designed in a way that we can adapt to your business operation, and we can automate the creation, the reporting, and the resolving of such tickets in a way that matches your business process. If you want to learn more about our ticketing engine, take a demo with us, and I'll personally show you more. Thank you.